A recent survey asked 1,500 sales leaders how satisfied they are with learning and development. 75% of them were not happy at all. At the same time, 70% of sales forces report that they don't have mastery of the skills needed to excel in their jobs. The truth is that we are mostly learning the wrong things at the wrong time, and we forget what we have learned. According to recent surveys, 90% of sales training initiatives have no lasting impact after 120 days. Today's fast-moving business landscape calls for sales organizations to adapt to changing environments rapidly, to always be learning and improving. 61% of salespeople say selling is harder or much harder today than it was 5 years ago. It is time for evolved learning architectures, focusing on learning what's really needed. It's time to activate peer learning, best practice sharing, and gamification. It is also time to strengthen the frontline sales manager's role in learning and development. There need to be effective coaches of their teams. Sales managers should follow up on what has been learned. They need to make sure that the new skills become deeply embedded into daily practice. You want to accelerate sales? Please contact us.